Bless you, Levi. Welcome to Levi's Fan Channel. Today we have some special guests. We have Elmo, Leapfrog Scout that Levi calls Old Scout, Ernie, Leapfrog Violet that Levi calls Baby Scout, Bert, and did I already see Elmo? And Elmo. It's okay to see Elmo. Also, we have a ninja training stick that Levi's Aunt Susan bought for Levi's birthday one year. We don't really use it for ninja training, but we do use it to spin fans. Now we're not going to be turning the ceiling fan on with the switch today because it would hurt the motor. So here we go. We're going to give it a good spin. Let's see if any of our friends are going to fall off. So far, so good, guys. Listening to Disfigure Blank Melodic Dubstep coffee-free music. Coming to a spin down. Bless you. What do you think, Levi? Should I go the other way?
Yeah.
Okay, once it stops, we'll send Levi's friends for another way. Here we go, guys. Are you ready, Bert? I'm ready. Here we go. Now, what do you think, Levi? Once this spins down, do you want to see if we go fast, if any of your friends will fall off?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? We're okay with it. Yeah, that sounds fun. I've fallen before and I didn't get broken. Okay, well, here we go. Then we're going to do Operation Spin Fast and see if any of Levi's friends fall. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh! They all win in one shot. I think Old Scout went down first, do you think? Oh, and right behind me is our Levi's wind chimes that look like the phases of the moon.
Yeah.
Would you like to turn off the light, Levi? Do you want to see it with the light off for a while or just...
Yeah.
Oh, we're done for now with Scouts being up there. Once it spins down, we're going to be done with it for today. What do you think? Are you going to leave the light on or are you going to turn off the light, Levi?
Yeah.
Scout was up there, but then he fell.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I guess you're just going to get a scotch of healing meditation music.
Yeah.
And there we go. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day.